Hello, my good learners, teachers, and parents. In this video, we shall explain the Grade 8 Creative Arts and Sport SBA Project 2026. I repeat, this is Grade 8 Creative Arts and Sport Project 2026. That is Choral SBA explained step by step. In this video, I will provide two beautiful verses. You choose one and train your learners. The task requires learners to create and perform a choral verse based on a societal issue affecting their school or either community. The project should be completed in groups of 8 to 12 learners and carries a total of 20 marks. This project should be completed and uploaded to the KNEC portal by 26th of July. So hurry up and train your learners using these two verses or scripts. You choose one which best suits your learners. Let's go through each section step by step. For part A, that is creating a choral verse. Step 1, select and explore a societal issue, e.g., child kidnapping, theft, environmental pollution, child protection, child labor, responsible use of social media. Responsible use of social media. So those are some of the topics that you can choose affecting our learners in our community. As a group, discuss what causes the problems, effect, and the solution that can be applied. Step 2. Compose and script the verse, that is poem. So when we talk about choral verse, we are talking about the original poem. Create an original choral verse, meaning do not copy from another person. But for me, I will allow you to copy mine because I am guiding you on how to perform or how to do it. Remember to include a suitable title. I will give you two options to choose. Choose one that best suits your learners. Remember to include a suitable title, stanzas, flow of ideas, and even creative languages. Use of literary devices like repetition, metaphors, similes, and personification. Ensure the script is original. I repeat, use respectful language and words. Don't use ambiguous ones. The performance should take 2 to 3 minutes, not more than 3 minutes, and speak clearly. Example 1. So for me, I have decided to choose one issue that is affecting the society now or currently. That is where our child is. This is the story that is now trending in our country, that some children are being kidnapped. So due to these current issues, I have decided to create a poem on where is our child. So kindly sit, relax, and see it on the screen on how we can create and perform a beautiful choral verse concerning the issues affecting our community or current issues affecting our community or school community. Title is Where is Our Child? The morning came dressed in gold. Birds sang their pleasant songs. The sun smiled upon the earth, and the children hurried to school. But one desk remains empty. One voice is missing. One dream has vanished, and one family is crying. A mother waits by the gate, her eyes searching every road. A father walks through the night, calling a name that answers no more. The playing ground is silent. The laughter has faded. The school bag lies lonely, like a bird without wings. Child kidnapping is a thief, stealing smiles from innocent faces. A clear shadow appears in daylight, a wound upon the community. No child should disappear. No child should live in fear. No family should suffer tears. No dream should be cut short. Rhyming ones. For every child is precious, a seed of tomorrow, a light of the nation, a treasure beyond measure. A treasure beyond measure. Those are called rhyming ones. And our message should be clear. Protect the child, protect the future. Protect the nation, protect the dream. Together we stand, divided we fall. Yesterday the playground echoed with laughter. Today silent sit on the swing. Yesterday a bright smile lit the classroom. Today an empty desk tells a painful story. A child left home with hope, a school bag on the shoulder, dreams dancing in the heart, the future shining ahead. But somewhere along the road, a hand of darkness appeared, a voice of deception whispered, a dream was stolen. A mother waits at the gate. A father searches on the street but nowhere to be found. A father searches on the street but nowhere to be found. Friends ask endless questions. Teachers bow their hands in sorrow. Stop kidnapping, stop deceiving, stop luring, stop free lifts, stop gifts, stop pretending. Kidnapping steals joy and peace. Every child is a dream. Every child is a gift. Every child is a precious. Every child is a future. Where is our child? Not another child. Not today. Not tomorrow. Not ever. Together we stand. Divided we fall. The end. So, thanks for watching and listening to this voice. So the title is Where is Our Child? You can also talk about the drug abuse or the irresponsible use of endangered devices. So take note of the following styles. That is personifications. We have repetition. Some ones have been repeated. For example, every child is a dream, every child is a gift, every child is a precious, every child is a future. Where is our child? Not another child, not today, not tomorrow, not ever. So those are repetition. We have stop kidnapping, stop deceiving, stop luring, stop free gifts, stop free lifts, stop pretending. Kidnapping steals joy and peace. So those are repetition. So we have started with the personification, where we said, yesterday the playground echoed with laughter. Today silent sit on the swing. So silence imepewa uwezo wa kukaa kwa swinging like a child. So that's the example that I have for you. That is all of us from grade 8 creative arts part A. Part B is loading. So the more you like this video, I will be pleased to make even more videos on part 2, 3, and 4. So here I have something that I want to share with you before I come to the end of this learning or educative video. So remember these golden links. That is how to score more marks in this choral verse. So for one, choose a relevant title. Usiende tu kukaa chini na kufikiria vitu ovyo. Think of a relevant title that is affecting the community right now. Number 2, be creative. by either choosing the issue affecting your community, especially current issues in burning of schools. Nasa pia by tunga poem kuhusu burning. Rehearse thoroughly. So after choosing and creating your own composition, ukiona yangu haifai, basi you can also create your own composition using the best title of the issues affecting our community currently or today. Rehearse after creating. That is putting and cramming the ones or the lines in your mind. Then after memorizing the lines, you recite. Speak clearly. Each one should be heard. Stay within the required time. That is 2 to 3 minutes. Ukipitisha 4 minutes, you may lose some marks. Utapata 20 over 20. In that area, you can score 15, 16, or 17. So, ukipitisha, that is 5 minutes, utapata 16 marks. 4 minutes, you'll get 17 marks. Then 3 minutes, you'll score 18 or 19 marks there. You can't score 20 over 20, but it is possible to score 20 over 20. But remember, you cannot be as accurate as the marking scheme. Then demonstrate teamwork. Start once, usianze mbele ya mwingine. Secondly, facial expressions should be used. Sad and worried faces, not smiling. Do not smile in this composition or this chorus I've created for you. Why? Kwa sababu hapa hakuna furaha, hakuna mzaha. You are looking for your child. Where is our child? The reciter needs to know where is their child and who has taken him or her. So with that few remarks, thank you for watching. Thank you for learning with us up to this minute. May God bless you, and thank you for listening and following this video. Good luck in your project 2026. Bye.